A big shout to you, Four Wheels lovers! We are a top drivers, and you are seeing Downhill Master RC Tournament in the company of Stinky and Max Power.
Today we go to the second qualifying phase with 4 new cars in the race. But first of all, presentation.
The first competitor is Chris Cross. The US pilot drives a 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. For the following team, we present the Tower.
The second in the race is a Nissan Skyline 2000 GT, which runs for the Sakura team. The driver is a Mexican, Felix Grahil, and his car is Gorudo.
We continue with a Ford, this time a custom Maverick. The Carbon team presents Eddie Grasso at the wheel. The driver has renamed his car Maverick.
Last in the race, Hiro Akai on his Firefox. The Japanese driver drives a Japanese car, a bright red Honda 2000, and while you enjoy the warm-up, we go to the pace of the snake on the starting grid.
Front on the left in the first battery there is Gorudo. Immediately on the right the Ford Tower. Behind them we have Maverick and Firefox. Ready for the race in 3, 2, 1, go!
At the start, Gorudo and Maverick push the gas.
Too much for Maverick, who overturns at the chicane.
The Nissan spins away and seems impregnable.
In second position comes Tower, and in third the Honda Firefox. And DNF for Maverick. I think we are already late with race 2.
Oh yes, in front on the left Eddie Grasso on Maverick, and on the right Felix Grahil and Gorudo.
Behind them Hiro Akai on the Honda and Chris Cross on Tower.
Gas, clutch, engine and launch.
Pedal to the metal for Maverick.
Gorudo tries to recover but he overturns.
Maverick turns around, Tower pushes Firefox. What a mess, friend!
Everything in the reverse, Eddie Grasso is in the final line, followed by the Honda of Hiro Akai.
In third position the Tower, driven by Chris Cross and DNF for the Mexicans Nissan.
Let's go see the replay. What has happened before the Mamushi?
Gorudo wanted to overdo it and pay dearly for his maneuver.
Throughout this, Maverick touched the opponent on the rear. He hunts and the Ford pushed Akai's Honda, which arrived in second position.
Looking at the summary of the race 2, we see a perfect balance. All the pilots are at 5 points. The competition is still very open.
Let's see how will race 3 go. In front on the left, Hiro Akai on the Honda Firefox, and behind Chris Cross's Mustang.
On the right, Eddie Grasso's Maverick, and behind Felix Grahil on the Nissan Gorudo. Eyes wide open, it will be a top race. 3, 2, 1, via!
The Honda rides well.
Big trouble on first corner, Maverick goes out, even the Nissan is stopped.
But the two in the front continue, and without problem they arrive on the finish line. Firefox in shrimp style, and the Tower takes a nice second place.
Let's go with the replay. Incredible accident for Eddie Grasso, but the driver is safe.
Meanwhile, the full screen summary gives us an idea of the hard work that Nissan and Ford will have to do to recover position in the last round.
Final round! On the left there is now Tower, and on the right Firefox.
Immediately behind, Gorudo and Maverick did not suffer any injuries. And now all together from all, ready, steady, go!
They all start compactly at the moment.
At the chicane, the Tower raises and fly away.
The three behind jostle each other's, but the Honda hold position.
Chris Cross goes to the finish line.
Attention, incredible Max!
The Honda overcomes the 4 big mistake by Cross.
Pure madness! When it all seems over, instant replay!
The Mustang was passed right on the finish line.
Hiro Akai wins on the Honda Firefox! He wins not only the first place, but also the passage of the round!
Chris Cross in the Ford Mustang also passes to the semi-final, while for Nissan and Maverick, who started as favorites, according to the bookmakers, they're holding on full of air.
Thanks to all friends! If you liked the video, put a big like, comment and subscribe! If you want to stay updated, activate the bell, and in the description you will find all the links to our social networks.
Remember, if you want to participate in this new Street Night Racers events with your modified car, write us at topdriver365@gmail.com. In the meantime, good night and good fight for Max!
See you again next Saturday here on Top Driver, where the Deans
Never sleep!